Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how I prepare crisp bread and the recipe to it. In Danish, crisp bread is called Knækbrød. I was first introduced to this bread after I moved to Denmark. It is in fact a staple from the Nordic countries. If you wish to read more about the crisp bread, the link to it is in the description box below. What I like about this recipe is that you can add your favorite seeds and nuts to it. For example, pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, flax seeds, or any other seeds. Now these seeds and nuts are super healthy and they are so good for our body. You can always play with your imagination and improvise this recipe by adding your favorite seeds and nuts to it. If you're new to my channel, I'm a working mom of 3 boys. I post videos about lifestyle, parenthood and recipes. Moreover, I would love you to consider subscribing to my channel. Also, please do remember to click on the bell icon to receive notifications of my future videos. If you haven't yet watched my recent weekly meal plan video, the link to it is in the description box below. On that note, let's get started.
For the chili version, in a bowl, add 200 grams wheat flour, 100 grams oats, 100 grams grahamsflour. This flour is widely available in the supermarket. If not, then substitute it with equal amounts of wheat bran. Then add 100 grams sunflower seeds, 100 grams pumpkin seeds, 100 grams flax seeds, 50 grams chia seeds, 50 grams sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon dry chili flakes. Mix them well and add 100 ml vegetable oil. I use sunflower oil here. Add 200 ml water and mix them all together. Now divide the batter in 2 halves. On a baking sheet, add half of the batter and using a parchment sheet and with the help of a rolling pin, spread it into a thin, even layer. Make sure it is even, as otherwise the cooking time will vary and the thinner parts could get browned earlier. Cut into desired shape. Here I am using a pizza cutter and this will make approximately 10 to 12 pieces. Bake it for a duration of about 15 to 18 minutes in a 200 degrees preheated oven. Baking time may vary depending on the oven type, but keep an eye to avoid the bread getting burnt. Repeat the rolling and baking process with the second half of the batter.
Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. Tired snowflakes are coming down, collapse into water when they hit the ground.
Now for the sweet version, in a bowl, add 220 grams wheat flour, 100 grams oats, 100 grams grahamsflour or wheat bran, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 50 grams dried papaya, 50 grams roughly chopped pecans, 50 grams raisins, 50 grams sunflower seeds, 50 grams pumpkin seeds, 50 grams flax seeds, 30 grams unsweetened dark chocolate chips. Mix them well and add 100 ml vegetable oil. I use sunflower oil. Add 200 ml water and mix them all together. Add 1 tablespoon maple syrup and mix. Divide the batter in 2 halves. On a baking sheet, add half of the batter and using a parchment sheet and with the help of a rolling pin, spread it into a thin, even layer. Make sure it is even, as otherwise the cooking time will vary and the thinner parts could get browned earlier. Cut into desired shape. Here I am using a pizza cutter and this will make approximately 10 to 12 pieces. Bake it for a duration of about 15 to 18 minutes in a 200 degrees preheated oven. Baking time may vary depending on the oven type, but keep an eye to avoid the bread getting burnt. Repeat the rolling and baking process with the second half of the batter. Here you go, our crisp bread is ready and our kids love it.
Standing underneath the lights, we look into each other's eyes. Tired snowflakes are coming down.
This crisp bread is best served with tea or coffee, but also can be packed as snack for your kids because it contains healthy ingredients. I hope you like this video. Please do give it a try. I promise you'll get addicted to it. Remember to comment and let me know if you try. Please do give it a like if you think this video was informative. Also, remember to subscribe to my channel if you wish to see similar content. So take care until we meet again with another interesting video. Bye.